Hey, did you hear about the incident at the construction site yesterday? Apparently, a weld failed on one of the support beams, causing a partial collapse.
How did that even happen? I thought they had rigorous quality checks in place.
Exactly. That's why they're bringing in a radiographic testing team to inspect all the welds on the critical load-bearing structures.
Radiographic testing. What's that all about?
It's a non-destructive testing method that uses penetrating radiation, like X-rays or gamma rays, to examine the internal structure of welds and detect any flaws or defect.
Wow, that sounds like some high-tech stuff. How does it work?
Well, they position a radiation source on one side of the weld and a film, or detector on the other side. The radiation passes through the weld, and any imperfections or discontinuities cast shadows, or darker areas on the film or detector.
I see. So it's like taking an X-ray of the weld, revealing any potential problems that might not be visible to the naked eye.
Precisely. It's an essential quality control measure, especially for critical applications like bridges, pipelines, and pressure vessels, where even the smallest flaw could have catastrophic consequences.
That makes sense. Safety should always be the top priority in welding. But isn't radiation exposure a concern for the technicians performing these tests?
Absolutely. That's why they follow strict safety protocols and wear protective gear, like lead aprons and dosimeters to monitor their radiation exposure levels.